Hey guys, today we are going to talk about Amazon Influencers. What is the Amazon Influencer program? How does it work? Is this for real? So stick with me here as we chat about this and I try to explain to you what the Amazon Influencer program is. So what if I told you I knew about a program that you could do 100% from home, you didn't need to talk to anyone, you could do it on your own schedule, on your own timing, and you could make great money. Sounds impossible. Sounds like it doesn't exist. Well, it actually does. So who am I? I am Greg. I have built several multi-million-dollar businesses over the years, and I am here helping people find income streams that work for them. Everybody has an income stream available that they can do. It's just a matter of finding the right ones that fit you, your personality, and your style. And I am here to help you succeed in doing that. That is what this channel is all about, is helping you find income streams that work for you. So in today's video, we are going to discuss Amazon Influencer. We will talk about what it is. We will talk about how it works. I will show you how you make money in the Amazon Influencer program. Now, before we go any further, do me a favor. Push that like button because it helps me know that you find this content interesting and helps me know what kind of content to create for you. Also, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to keep dropping more content for you to help you find the income streams that work for you and help you grow in those income streams. So subscribe so that you know when new videos are dropped for you, and do me a favor and like so that I know this content is helpful for you. All right, let me tell you a little bit more about this. So I was invited early into the program, but I didn't join it. The reason I didn't join the program when I was first invited in, actually I was invited multiple times by Amazon and didn't join the program. The reason I didn't join was because I didn't understand what it was. I thought it was another affiliate marketing thing. And I just did not need more affiliate marketing. For me, most affiliate marketing is not really my jam. Yes, you can make great money at affiliate marketing, but I really didn't want another affiliate marketing channel. I was good. I didn't need another one. I didn't need to drive more traffic and all of that. So really, I just didn't understand the program, which is really why we're doing today's video, because I don't want you to fall into that same category of not understanding what this is. I did, however, have a friend, actually several friends, who joined the program. They got in and they started making really good money. One of these friends was very persistent in trying to explain the program to me, and I really wasn't interested for a while, and he just kept telling me about the program. Eventually, I started to listen a little bit more into what he was saying about the program and how it was working. I also saw he was making really good money with it, which of course piqued my curiosity even more. I mean, if you're making money, why wouldn't you be interested in knowing how this person's making money? So after I finally understood what the program was and how it worked, I decided it was worth at least giving it a try and joining the program. So I did. So here we have today's video to help you not make the mistake I made of ignoring the program because you didn't understand the program. All right, so here's what it is. The broad, wide, overarching viewpoint is it is a platform hosted by Amazon that helps shoppers better understand products. Okay, well that's great. So what is that? And how do you make money with that? Let's keep going. So it is videos that's hosted by Amazon that gets displayed to shoppers. Shoppers who watch a video from an influencer like you are 80 to 90% more likely to make a purchase on Amazon. So that is why this is so valuable to Amazon right here. One reason. I've got another reason. So this is really valuable because Amazon is able to increase conversions, increase sales, which helps them increase the money they make. The second reason this is so valuable for Amazon is it reduces returns by 10%. Returns are very expensive. Even if Amazon doesn't have to pay for the product that got returned, they still have to pay the return logistics, the shipping for it to come back, the warehousing of it, the redistribution of it. Whatever they do to handle a returned product is very, very expensive. So by reducing returns by 10%, they are saving a lot of money, which makes them, again, more profitable. So that makes this program more valuable. Why does it reduce returns? Because an influencer is able to help a shopper understand a product and help a shopper understand if this is the right product for them. By doing so, the shopper makes a better purchase decision so that they buy a product they're more confident in and are less likely to return. All right, so inside this program, there are currently 3 main types of videos. So the influencer makes these videos, and we'll get there in a minute. The 3 main types of videos. The first one, which is where this all started, is what's called the shoppable video. A shoppable video is a video that is placed on a product page. If you go to most any item on Amazon, you're going to see there are quite a few videos available that you can watch that people have recorded about that product. That is a shoppable video. The next area is live streaming. So now they allow influencers to live stream, much like a home shopping network type of TV channel, but it's on Amazon and they host it. An influencer can log in, and just like I'm talking to you, they can talk to the Amazon customer about products, and they can have a continual feed of products where they are talking about products live to Amazon shoppers. It has live chat, live video. It shows stats on purchases being made and helps the influencer understand how the live audience is responding and how to best help the live audience make a great purchase decision. The third type of video that they have is a fairly new version, and this program is constantly developing, so they're constantly investing in new ways to help shoppers. The third way that they currently have is called Amazon Inspire. Now, this one's a little bit different and a little bit more unique in its style. It's a little bit like scrolling through TikTok. On the Amazon app for your mobile device, there's like little star icons in the menu. If you click on that, that's Amazon Inspire, and it is a feed of videos, and you can swipe, see a video, swipe, see the next video, swipe, and see the next video. And in the bottom of that video, there are little cubes that are the icons that the person is talking about. So you can just shop through, swiping away. I mean, this actually can get quite addictive, just shopping away, looking at what people are posting, and you can click any one of those products to view more about it and decide whether or not you want to buy that product. So currently, these are the 3 main types of video. The shoppable, the live stream, and the Inspire videos are the 3 main types of video that they're currently doing. So how do you make money with this? Well, there are a few ways that you make money as an Amazon influencer. One, the one that everybody assumes this program is, and the one that I made the false assumption about at first, was you can send your followers to your storefront. So when you're an influencer with Amazon, you have what's called a storefront with all your products that you're recommending or that you've reviewed and talked about. So you can send your own followers there, and you're going to get paid a commission for the followers that you direct into Amazon that make a purchase out of your store. I at first thought that's really what this program was. That is not where the majority of people are earning their income from this program. That is one of the options available to you. Another option, which is the area where most people are making their money, is Amazon shows your videos to the shoppers already on Amazon. So you make your videos, you put them on Amazon. They have a portal for influencers to inject their videos into Amazon, upload them just like you would any other platform where you do videos. You would upload them there. You write a short little description, and there's a little button to tag your products and create thumbnails. So you upload your videos to Amazon, and Amazon then decides to show your videos to their customers, people who are already on Amazon, already poised to make a purchase. They use your video to show the shopper your video to help that shopper better understand the products that they're already looking at. This is where people are making money. If that shopper buys something from that product category, it doesn't even have to be that exact product. Maybe your video helped them decide this wasn't the exact product they wanted, but they go and purchase something else in that category because they feel like that other product was a better choice for them. Again, we're reducing returns. You will get paid a commission for that person's purchase. So they provide the traffic. They provide an already poised, ready to buy shopper. They show your video. That person decides to buy. You earn a commission for helping that shopper make the purchase decision that they made. I mean, it's actually a pretty simple process. The Amazon Influencer Program provides really an easy way to earn great money. You get to make great content, fantastic content. You upload it to Amazon just like you would upload your content to any other platform. One of the big differences here is the commissions are far better than just about everywhere else. One of those reasons is because Amazon already has an existing customer base ready to make a purchase who will watch your content. That's amazing. So you have a much lower viewer count to earn a much higher commission, where typically as an influencer, you need high viewership, lots of people to see your stuff for a very small percentage of them to buy. Where in this program, it's reversed. You don't need nearly as many people watching your videos, but Amazon's going to provide plenty of people to watch your videos. It can still be millions of people watching your videos, but there's a much higher conversion because these people are already on Amazon, on their website, or on their app, ready to make a purchase, and your video is helping them make that decision on whether or not they're looking at the right product for them. So simply, you make those excellent videos. You upload it, Amazon shows it, the shopper buys, and then you earn a commission. I mean, that's really how this works. You can record videos at home. You can record videos on your schedule anytime you want. You can make as many or as few videos as you want. There's no requirements here as to how many you have to make or how many you can do at a time. It's unlimited. It's really a wide open platform here. And you can use products that you already have. You don't need to go spend money on new products. All you have to do is review or explain products to the Amazon customer. In your home, if you live in a tiny apartment, you have at least 300 products. The average home will have between 500 and 1,000 products that you can purchase on Amazon that are all reviewable products. Products that you already own. You don't need money. You don't need to spend money to buy these products because you already have them. So it's pretty simple. You can do it on your own schedule, on your own time. You can do as many as you want, and you don't need to buy anything to do this program. The Amazon Influencer Program, in my opinion, is great. It allows you to make content to help shoppers. It helps Amazon increase sales. It helps shoppers make a better purchase decision, and it helps you earn money from helping both Amazon and the shopper. I mean, this is, as far as I see, a win all the way around. As a shopper, I want to buy the right product every time. As a business owner, I want my customers to find the right products for them. And as a content creator, I want to make great content that helps the person watching my content. All the way around, this program really works well. It hits on all of those. It helps me help people. It helps Amazon sell better. It helps the shopper buy the right product. I mean, I really can't talk any better about this program. It's really a fantastic program. So, if it sounds like something that you want to do, I don't make any commission on this, but I do have other videos out here in my channel that you can watch on how to get started in the program. I've got videos about how to get started, step-by-step videos on what steps you need to take, what are the requirements, how to make great videos, how to maximize your earnings in the Amazon Influencer Program. There are tons of videos here for you to help you get started, to help you find your hustle, to help you find an income stream that works for you. There's a link also in the description below. Maybe if you're on mobile, it might be off to the side. But there is a link for you. If you want to chat directly with me, you can click on that link to schedule a 30-minute time slot with me. I'm happy to help you. I mean, that's really what I'm here for, is to help you earn a great income, whatever that may be. I know this video is about influencer, and I will gladly talk about Amazon Influencer with you. If you want to discover another hustle that works well for you, we can talk about that, because I'm here for you. Just use that link to find a time slot that works best for you. And don't forget, please subscribe. Click that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, whatever you've got to do to subscribe, because I will continue to drop great content for you to help you earn more income, to help you make more money, to help you have a better life. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you guys. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.